Guess who has a new planner? All right, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative, and I will be doing planner decoration in this pocket planner. It is new. I have not set it up. I made some little dividers, which I don't really like. They may not stick, and I added something there. But I will be using this as my daily planner for the month of November. And I'm doing this kind of because when things get hectic, or if I have lots of small details to plan, it helps me to have daily sheets instead of weekly sheets. And I don't have an insert for this planner or anything. This is just some dot grid paper that I cut down to size. And I guess if I don't know, I will see if I have started working on like some inserts for this planner. And if you are a Digital Kit subscriber, like I'll be doing add-ons for this month. So anything I make for this planner, you'll get those emails like as I make things for it. So let's get started. I'm going to put you all on fast forward because I don't really have an idea. I just know it'll be a daily. That's about it. So let's see what I come up with. Alright, so we have our first week completed in my little pocket planner. Again, this planner is not set up. I have not done anything to it, but I kind of wanted to, I don't know, have a few things in it so I can kind of get a feel for how best it will be decorated. So we have Monday, Tuesday. This Wednesday is my favorite page, even though I feel like I spelled Wednesday wrong. I always, some words when you start writing, you always feel like you're spelling it wrong. You need to look, but I didn't feel like looking, so it may be wrong, it may not. But this is my favorite page. I just love the way those boots, they're just sitting in the middle of the page. And this is kind of my daily style. Like, I'll put a little list, I'll write all around. I like to figure out where to write on a page. So we have Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday I kind of did like a double spread. And not that Friday is my busy day, I just didn't want to have Saturday next to, like, I had this idea to do Saturday and Sunday like that. So they kind of match, like the weekend is kind of together. So my favorite pages are this Wednesday, and it's actually the simplest page. I think I just like the boots because I have a hard time using. I love, let me show you a big die cut. I love designing these boots, but I don't know, I don't always wind up using them in my planner. So I love that page, and I love this weekend page. So stay tuned. I will be back now that I kind of have an idea of how I will use this. I'll use this for 1 week, and then I will be back with a complete setup. I'll make lots of things, just about everything that I make for this planner this month will be add-ons in the digital subscription kit this month. So stay tuned and look forward to those emails as I make stuff and add stuff. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And there is a coupon code and a link to the subscription kit and a coupon code for any of the other stickers in my shop. Hope you have a crafty day, and until next time.